Alright, hello everyone, it's Bro back with another video, and today we'll also gonna be talking about the API, and more specifically what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna create a group and then we're gonna add a user to that specific group. So we're gonna navigate to our documentation for the API. We're copy and pasting this post method for the create group, and we are adding it to our Postman. That is one of the thing. And the second thing is, well, what we need is going to be the body data. So I'm gonna add it in here. So what I'm going to call this group is going to be Postman API. So if I click on send, so it's sending the request, and as you can see right here, so this is the Postman API, and also we have the group ID, and I'm going to copy and paste this group ID because this is something that we will need. So now to add the user to the group, so we are using a different URL to actually add a user to the group. So what you need to do is you actually need to create a new request. How you can actually do it, so you don't need to create everything from scratch. You just right click on this and just click on duplicate, and it will duplicate the previous request. The only thing that you actually need to do is to change this URL and also to add some things in here. So first of all, what we need to do is we need to add our account ID. So that is going to be for the body. Okay, so in order to get our ID, if you watch my previous videos, you will actually see that the account ID could be actually found on your profile. So we're going to just copy and paste the account ID right here. That's the first thing. The second thing that we actually need to do is we need to add some of the query parameters. So for the query parameters, the first and foremost is going to be our group ID. So as you can see, this is the group ID that we actually have in here. So I'm just wondering if we can. So what we need is going to be the group ID, and the value is going to be this one. So I'm going to send the request. Alright, so I need to add the Bro user to that specific group ID, which is going to be the group of the Postman API. Alright, so it's still sending the request. Agent, cloud agent, try later or try with a different agent. Okay, this is weird, really. Alright, so I'm going to go with a group name instead. Alright, so I'm gonna go with a group name instead, and tagliamo. Alright guys, sorry for the delay, I'm just back, and there was this kind of an error that was actually being showing. And in here, what does it say? It says group, not the group name, the group ID. Cannot add the user. User is already the member of the group. So we actually already added this user to the group. How can we actually check this? Well, we're gonna go for the user management. And within our user management, we're gonna go for the groups. And within the groups, we're gonna look for the Postman API. And as you can see right here, we have the group members of 1. So that is the Jira Bro, and I added myself there. Alright, so that is it for this video. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.